Welcome to this video on the definition of business. In today's fast-paced and constantly evolving world, it's more important than ever to understand the basics of what business is and how it functions. Let's dive in. Simply put, business is an activity that involves buying and selling goods or services in exchange for money, but there's much more to it than that. A more comprehensive definition of business can be broken down into three parts. First, business is a human endeavor that aims to satisfy the needs and wants of society. Second, it's an organized system for providing goods and services to customers. And third, it's a for-profit venture, meaning that it's designed to make a profit for its owners or shareholders. Business can take many forms, from a small corner store to a large multinational corporation. Some of the most common types of businesses include sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, and corporations. No matter what type of business you're dealing with, there are a few key components that are critical to its success. These include a product or service that meets the needs of customers, a group of customers to sell to, a financial system to manage revenue and expenses, and a marketing and sales strategy to reach potential customers. Business plays an important role in society, creating jobs and providing goods and services that make our lives better. It also drives innovation and economic growth, and it provides entrepreneurs with the opportunity to turn their ideas into successful ventures. That's it for today's video on the definition of business. We hope you now have a better understanding of what business is and how it functions. Thanks for watching.